So listen what I built to be able to work on this, because for that thing to work both parts need to be connected here. I built this frame. The other problem is that the original box is not fully opened from the back, so you can't do much if it's on the box. So I made the frame. Actually, I use this frame for many repairs that I do. I just move this compared to the width of the machine. So now I installed this machine on this frame, and as you can see, I can move it in every way I want, you see, just like that, to work at the front, to work at the back, I can move it as I want. Furthermore, I can do something else. Let me show you. So what you can do with this is that you can put the box back here and connect here the speakers so that you can test the speaker output. The thing with this machine, I don't know if you can see it. You can see it up above there. The transformer for the speakers is attached to the speakers, so they have to be connected in order to test the speaker output of this machine. So I did make a little test, and let me show you what I found. So to be able to monitor the line in from this machine to a speaker, you have to connect an external speaker, and that's why I connected this in there. To power it, I use this device there, which is a 500 watts bulb in there, halogen bulb, and this will limit the current a little bit on my machine and will protect me in case I short something. The main power will not be shorted, it will just light up the bulb. So now the machine is working. As you can see, the capstan is turning, and I will test the line in of this. Some theory before I go on. As you can see, this is the line in, this is the mic in, both of them after some resistors to compensate for gain of the signal. Both these line ins through this switch, so if you put on record, this will go there, and both these signals will enter the preamplifier, which is here. So it doesn't make any difference if I test this line in or this line in, as both of them, when you put the machine on record, both of them use this preamplifier to keep on further. The same applies to the other channel, of course. They just here, it goes like that and enters the preamplifier for the other channel, which is here. Something more. So when you put this machine on record mode, it uses this cable here to pull this thing like that. Now that we will not use now, I will put something in here, just like that, just to put the machine on record mode. So now the machine is on line input mode or record mode, whatever. And let's see. Listen to that. I don't really know how to play the guitar. I'm just scratching. So this plays. Let's listen to some bars. So, as you can see, the preamplifier of one channel works correctly. The other channel the preamplifier for the other channel also worked correctly. To be honest, before it wasn't working and now suddenly started. I don't know why. So, this is with the preamplifiers, but if I take out this thing for the record switch, like that, now we have a lot of noise on both channels. So I have to invest what's going on with the noise. The preamplifier of this machine is in here. So if the machine is on this frame, I cannot open the preamplifier which is here. I have to take out the lower part and check the preamplifier. I will see if I will change the transistors. They are the notorious 458s, which go bad nearly all the time. So I might replace the transistors, and I will see if I have any problematic capacitors. I have bought all of them. So let's see. Let me show you something else. So having sound output on my both channels with the line in from here, I am optimistic that all this part, the power amplifier, but also the preamplifier, is working correctly. The problem is that when I put the machine on playback, I hear a lot of noise. On the record, the noise is not there. Whatever. So, now that I have the amplifier part of the machine on the table here to do some testing, let me show you this. This is the line output, okay, on the back. Okay, it's here, the line output, and it's here. The line output takes signal after the first valve here. So, if you put line in here and you monitor from the line out here while having the amplifier in record mode, then you will test this preamplifier stage and also this first stage of the power amplifier. And so you can clear all this and having to test only these last two valves, which I guess they are used only for speakers. So if you don't intend to use this machine with internal speakers, look at that machine here now, it's only the mechanical part left alone there. If you intend to use this machine without its own speakers but with another amplifier, then this valve here, you don't really need it, as I can see. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I will first take out the preamplifier which is in there, and I will test all this way to this valve and monitor the line output from here. I will try to measure what sound I get in between at some places and see if there is anything I can do. Something else that is useful for powering up this thing. You see this plug here? This plug is this plug here. So, if you see these two there that I show you there, they are not connected, and they need to be connected because this is the power here, and it has to go to the other side of the transformer. But if you see here, this thing is are the automatic stop switches that this there has. So we will have to bypass them, and to bypass them, you got to put exactly the way here, exactly the way I show. You have to bridge these two connections. So if you put this on power and you put it on, you see it powers up. So to do any testing on this thing, you got to do this first so that power actually flows into the machine, and now you can put line in, test line out, and do whatever you want with it. I shouldn't have to say this all the time, but be careful. This thing in there has very high voltages. Look at the voltages here. 320, 280. So high voltages here. Be careful. Whatever you do, your own risk. Okay. Not to forget, these power smoothing capacitors may hold charge while you have the machine on off. Okay. So be careful, even if the machine is not plugged in on power and is not turned on. Okay. That's it. I will stop it now and I will take out the preamplifier and see how it is in there. Where are my screwdrivers? There it is. There's a nice chart here which says which tube is which. We knew it, but it's good that they thought to put it there. Has also screws from the front. Why did they have to be so careful? I mean, screws all around. Can I take this off now? I guess I can. Okay. So this is our amplifier here. No plugging in and out. So it's all everything is soldered here. But yes. So the first thing I will do is I will try to clean these two switches here and see if I get anything back from this. Maybe the noise is because this switch does not have proper contact. So it's good to do this. test and see what I can hear from it now. So listen what I did here. We have these two plugs here, which are RCA plugs, and this is where the 8-track head is connected. So I connected here my phone and listen what I have. So now we are as if we play back. So there is a lot of noise. No. So stuff are going a little bit bad with this preamplifier here, but generally we have sound. This is a good thing. Okay. Note that here now the phone is on very low volume because this input from the heads is very sensitive, so you will get a lot of distortion if you put too much gain to the signal into these plugs. But look, when I stop the music, we have some noise, which noise then falls down. Listen. Choop, stopped. So I don't know why this happens, and definitely there's stuff wrong with these transistors or whatever. Leaky transistors. This transistor is very common to be leaking. Okay, now I will stop it. I will shut this off. I will take out the preamplifier to see what we have under it. Am I recording? Yes, I am. So this side does not have high voltages. I think it's 33 volts, the power for the preamplifier. The high voltages are here, so I'm not very concerned now. And when you take it out, these switches here for play and record will move, so just be careful a little bit for them. And here it is. So the old transistors are here. I will take the phone and show you closely how this preamplifier looks like. Okay, you can see it now. I will clean this better now that I have access here and here, and I will join the machine again on this rack that I built here, and check again and see what kind of signal now I have after all the cleaning I did here. Something else I did on this plug here, I glued it this, and I 3D printed two plastic things like that, so that it has a little bit more strength on the sides here. I noticed that, this wouldn't there was enough space for this to be here, so I think now this will not break again. I hope. It wouldn't be bad if I put something else to press it here also. I will think about it. So after all this cleaning of the electronics that I showed you, I put everything back together and look what I have now. I'm helping a little bit because the belt is a problem. I have to take care of the belt sometime. So as you can see, I have a normal sound here. So electrical part is not fixed because I have some noise from the preamplifier, and I'm pretty sure the problem is that the transistors. But now that I can hear sound, audio, okay, and I think it's time to address some mechanical issues on that.